Hi, I'm here back with another video, and this video is all about developing a basement. Now, uh, first thing we have to ask a question that why we are developing a basement. Yes, because we want to have an extra space, and we want to have maybe a rec room there. We want to have one small room, and we want to have a one washroom there. Right now. Uh, Number two, maybe we want to have a guest, we want to have a family, and we want to have them to sleep over in the bedroom and have a washroom, and then probably have a little sink over there, so this way they can have company with the grandson and with the family. So number three is very important, that how much budget we have, how much money we have, and where we're going to get this money. Are we going to use our own money? Are we going to bank and ask them to borrow the money, right? And number four is the drawing. What type of drawing we need, what type of a basement we need. Either we need a bedroom on that corner, bedroom in this corner, or washroom in that corner, or our living room in this corner. Now, so four things we have to think. First thing is why we need a basement. Probably we need a space. And second thing, probably we need to do a bedroom, living room, and a washroom, and probably our grandpa is coming. And the third thing is very important, the financial, that where we're going to get the money and how we going to collect the money. Are we going to the bank, or how are we going to get the money? And the fourth thing is the drawing, that what type of drawing, how we going to set it up, our basement, the rooms, and the washroom, and the living room, and the kitchen. Now, there are two type basements. One is called basement, is called a legal basement, right? So legal basement is basically that drawing it and just put your one bedroom, washroom, even a small kitchen, living, and then that is called the basement suite. That is called the basement suite. And the second one is called a legal basement suite. Again, it's a legal basement suite. Legal basement suite, what you can do if you want to put a one bedroom there, you have to have a washroom, and you have to have a kitchen, and you have to have a separate entrance, and the windows, and the height, and the fire walls, and your fire doors. Those are very important, and maybe you're gonna have a laundry there too, a separate heat there too. So that is called a legal basement suite. So two type of basement, as I said, legal basement, and then legal basement suite. So how to get that information is very easy. I live in Alberta, and maybe you are maybe the middle of California, or maybe you are in Australia, or in UK. So what you have to do, you gotta go with your to your local municipality, local city, and they have they have a very good models for you. And very important that you got to think it, that how big space you have. Like maybe you are living in a condo, you living in a bungalow, you living in a bi-level house, you living in a two-story house. You got to think that too, that how much space in the basement you can utilize, either for your own use. Maybe you want to do an office there, maybe your space is 100 square feet, or probably it's a 200 square feet, and sometimes it's a 400 square feet. So I know that in Canada, in US, a lot of time they want to develop a basement so they can rent it out, right? So understand that very important. You gotta go to your city, go to their website, and then check it and put the basement development application, and they have a very good flyers. They have all type of a basement that you are looking for. And they also mention that if your space is this much, you can only do one bedroom. You probably can do a two bedroom. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. So again, before choosing any color or any starting any framing, it's very important. You gotta think it, that why you are doing a basement is for yourself, or is for your family, or probably for renting it out, right? So you gotta think about that one. So when you think that you want to rent it out, then that application is different. So you gotta think that way, because you're probably gonna need one extra parking there. You're probably gonna need a separate entrance, and you're gonna need all the kitchen legal, and then you need to do all the roofs fireproof, and you also have to do your walls, the partition walls. You got to do a fireproof, and the door inside for your furnace or mechanical room, you have to do a fireproof. And then windows, very important in the bedroom. You got to give the easement. So basically the size of the windows is not less than the size is required with your local municipality. So you got to watch those windows, must be in the bedroom. And other than, there's a smoke detectors, very important. So I think pretty much this is the requirement in all areas in the municipality. So again, you only need a pen, and you need a measuring tape, and just go to your basement, start measuring it, and this is just like a box. So measure it one corner to other corner to second corner, and draw on the paper, and then you gotta divide it into a bedroom, washroom, and there's a lot of apps, Google Drawing, and a lot of free apps there. You just check it, and then you can put your all information there and start making a basic drawing. And this way you will have a little bit concept that how you can price it out, and you go out for the contractors or material suppliers or the city's permit requirements, and it's very simple. So next time maybe we will cover the drawing, and hope you like this little presentation, and if you still have any question or any comment, please drop in the comment box. Till thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.